अस्सलाम वालेकुम, शीज़ा राशिद फ्रॉम कैलिफोर्निया यूएसए। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप और आपके लव वन सब खैर खैरियत से हों। If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today's video's content is very different. Today we are gonna try different types of wigs, and these are the wigs I ordered from Amazon. So this is one of the wigs I'm wearing. So let's see which one would you like better. So I have ordered like 5 of them, and I'm just gonna open it in front of you. So these are 5 different colors wigs. Some are highlighted, some are black, some are short, some are curly, with a new trend. So I'm gonna open all of them in front of you and see which one you like the most. So let's open them one by one and see the look, and then I'm gonna try it on. This is the first one. You see they give you a cap. You wear this cap before the wig. So I'm gonna show you here. Here is the wig. It's very highlighted from the front part, and it has very curly long hair. So it comes with a wig. So here it is. It's a little longer. So here it is. I just put it on. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this is the second one. Some wigs they do not come with the cap. You have to buy separately, but some they do. So these are the black one. In the beginning, you know how in the intro I tried this on. Very silky, smooth and shortcut. So this is the third one. Let's see, how do you like it? Here it is. Curls at the bottom. On top is just like a dark brown. Beautiful, silky, gorgeous. It has a clip, and you can put it clip on, so you don't have to wear a hair cap underneath. It has the clip, you can stick it on your natural hair. So this is the third one. Its bottom part, like the ends are highlighted. The tops is like black, and the ends, you see how it's curly and highlighted. So it has a highlight in the middle too, but I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show you in detail. This is the fourth one. I love how the color looks beautiful. You see here the middle part, and you see the curl at the bottom. It's beautiful how when you open it. This is how it looks like. When you are in hurry, you just want to put it on something and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about the hairstyle. And this is the last one, the fifth one. And you see, this is the front part, and you see the ends very curly. So here is the first one. I tried it on. This is little bit short, like a shoulder cut in layers, and silky and smooth. As you see, I did like little bit this way and half other way, but here goes the second one. Love the curls and the colors, how it's looking. It looks gorgeous and long hair, very silky, and very bouncy. You see it. And these wigs are actually very affordable. I bought these from Amazon, and here you go. Looks gorgeous. Love the color too. It's like a golden brown. So this is how it looks like. So please do comment in a comment box, how do you like this one? I love the bounciness of this wig. Very easy to wear on, and you know, when you're, as I said, when you're in a hurry, put it on, you're good to go. Here is the third one. See how the front is in a layers. You see the layers goes around your face, and these layers are highlighted. Beautiful. Love it. The bottom part is like the ends are very curly. Beautiful. It's not as bouncy as the second one, but it's beautiful because of the highlights is different from the first one. Look how beautiful it looks like. I just put a little bit of tikka on my forehead. Looks gorgeous. Let's see if you guys like it. Please let me know which one is your favorite one. Looks very lovely. Here is the fourth one, and this is black, but this is not that long, and it's same way, like the ends are curly but not that bouncy. But look at the from the top, it's, you know how it gives the curl and it goes around your face. It looks beautiful. You can also pin it backward one side, so you know you can show your earrings. It looks beautiful, but it's not like bouncy as the second one was. But I love the color, love the look. It gives you a different look than the first, second and third one. The hair are not that silky, looks like more like natural type. I love this look too, you know, it's different than the first, second and third one. Let's see how it looks to you. Last but not the least, this is the fifth one. Beautiful curls at the bottom. The top is like a blackish brown, you see, and then you can also comb them through. You can also curl them again if the curls are gone. See, it looks beautiful on top. You see the hairline. You can put a bindi over there. I love this look too. This is totally different, modern look, right? With the highlights at the end, which is in fashion nowadays. To me, it gives you a different look. So please do tell me like which one is your favorite in the comment box, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. With this, I would say thank you to all who watch this video. Please stay safe and healthy. See you next time, inshallah. Take care. Bye bye.